Good evening and welcome to the news. I'm Dinesh Rentle. Here are today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to come forward for organ donation. ISRO successfully launches LVM-3 rocket with 36 satellites from Sriharikota. Centre further reduces disturbed areas under AFSPA from 3 northeastern states of Nagaland, Assam and Manipur. And the Shillong Bihari Welfare Association celebrates Bihar Mahotsav today. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today urged people to come forward for organ donation. Addressing the nation in the 99th episode of his Mann Ki Baat program, Modi said there are a large number of needy people who are waiting for organ donation. He noticed that in India, selfless charity, also known as Paramath, has been placed so high that people do not hesitate to donate their all for the happiness of others. He expressed satisfaction that his government is working on a uniform policy in the country for organ donation. He further stated that it has been decided to remove the condition of domicile of the states. The government has also decided to abolish the age limit of below 65 years for organ donation.
हमारे देश में आज बड़ी संख्या में ऐसे जरूरतमंद हैं जो स्वस्थ जीवन की आशा में किसी ऑर्गन डोनेट करने वाले का इंतजार कर रहे हैं। मुझे संतोष है कि अंगदान को आसान बनाने और प्रोत्साहित करने के लिए पूरे देश में एक जैसी पॉलिसी पर भी काम हो रहा है। इन प्रयासों के बीच मेरा देशवासियों से आग्रह है कि ऑर्गन डोनर ज्यादा से ज्यादा संख्या में।
India's LVM-3 satellite with 36 satellites of the OneWeb India 2 missions took off from the second launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota successfully at 9 this morning. The 43-meter tall launch vehicle successfully completed the 3 stages in the prescribed time limit, including the involvement of the ignition of the cryogenic engine. The data is being tracked by the ground stations at Thiruvananthapuram, Lucknow and Bangalore stations, and also at the ship station at Antarctica. Speaking after the launch, the chairman of ISRO, Somnath, said that the first 16 satellites of the OneWeb India 2 series were placed at the right orbit as planned. The remaining 20 satellites will also be positioned soon.
The first 16 satellites of the series are already placed in the right orbit, and now it has gone in the far south of the Earth, and we will be getting confirmation of the remaining spacecraft separation soon once the onboard storage data is acquired by our Indian ground stations.
The government has once again decided to reduce the disturbed areas under the Armed Forces Special Powers Act, or AFSPA, in Nagaland, Assam and Manipur. Home Minister Amit Shah said that this decision has been taken in view of the significant improvement in the security situation in northeast India. The Home Ministry said that compared to 2014, there is a reduction of 76% in extremist incidents in 2022. Earlier, in a historic move, the centre had reduced disturbed areas under AFSPA in Nagaland, Assam and Manipur from April 2022. Taking another important decision yesterday, disturbed areas under AFSPA in these 3 states are being further reduced again from 1st April this year. The Shillong Bihari Welfare Association celebrated Bihar Mahotsav at Aurobindo Ashram Auditorium, Shillong today. The chief guest of the program was Animal Husbandry Minister, Government of Meghalaya and BJP leader Alexander Lalu Hek. In the program, the youth presented many cultural programs related to Bihari culture. In the series of community outreach programs by BSF Meghalaya, A mega medical camp under Civic Action Program was organized by the 170 Battalion BSF on Saturday at Mahadev village in the presence of A.S. Khan, Deputy Commandant and Nimish Assistant Commandant. Around 200 people from bordering villages and headmasters of various schools, including students and teachers, participated. During the program, stationery for school, plastic chairs, sports items, CGI sheets, plastic syntaxes and free medicines were also distributed. The BSF is holding such events towards its commitment to help the needy and strengthen the relation between the BSF and the bordering population. Boxer Debor Mitre Kongla under the elite category male and Dakha Hipaya Lingdo under youth female bagged the best boxers, while Marlaki Suchiang under junior male and Heniwangki Nangba under youth female were awarded the most promising boxers on the concluding event yesterday at the 5th All Jaintia Open Boxing Championship 2023. The championship was organized by the West Jaintia Boxing Association in collaboration with the District Sports Officer, West Jaintia Hills District at La Tlabo Ground. The chief guest of the event was ADC FB Basan along with District Sports Officer K. Pasa. On the concluding day, there were about 16 bout lists, which are the final matches under the sub-junior, junior, youth and elite categories.
I cricket boxing yang West Jaintia Boxing Association but kumjuru ikinoi la kai borok hot ba inile la ka jinship ham ba ka jing treshi tom ka mesim ko bajok.
And now for a quick look at today's weather report. The maximum temperature was 23.1 degrees Celsius with the minimum temperature recorded at 12.3 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 65%, dropping to 42% in the evening with no rainfall. The forecast tells us light to moderate rain is very likely to occur at most places. A news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers can now visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And now for a quick recap of today's headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi urges people to come forward for organ donation. ISRO successfully launches LVM-3 M3 rocket with 36 satellites from Sriharikota. Centre further reduces disturbed areas under AFSPA from 3 northeastern states of Nagaland, Assam and Manipur. And Shillong Bihari Welfare Association celebrates Bihar Mahotsav today. That's all we have in today's news. Thank you for watching. We'll be back same time tomorrow. Have a good evening.